The Morgan Library was a private collection of John Pierpont Morgan, a once powerful banker. Built in 1906, Morgan commissioned the library next to his home on 36th Street and Madison Avenue. The adjacent brownstone eventually became part of the museum. Opened to the public in 1924, after J.P. Morgan's death in 1913, his son, J.P. Morgan Jr., turned the collection into a public institution. Originally called the Pierpont Morgan Library, it was renamed to the Morgan Library and Museum in 2006. The main building is an architectural masterpiece of classic Italian Renaissance style. Part of the library's ceiling is covered in gold leaf. A secret spiral staircase leads to the library's upper levels. The modern glass entrance and additional exhibition space were added as part of a major redesign in 2006. The library's original rooms remain perfectly preserved from J.P. Morgan's time, making it a stunning time capsule of a bygone era. The library owns thousands of rare books and manuscripts and historical documents, making it one of the world's most valuable book collections. The library owns 3 of the 21 completed Gutenberg Bibles still in existence. One of the only known handwritten scores of Mozart is in the collection. The collection includes letters from George Washington, Abraham Lincoln, and Napoleon Bonaparte. The Morgan has an incredible collection of Renaissance drawings, including original drawings by Leonardo da Vinci. Before becoming a public institution, only invited guests and scholars could see it. The museum regularly holds classical music concerts, lectures, and literary events. Unlike major New York City museums, the Morgan remains less crowded and more intimate, making it one of New York City's hidden gems.